morning, it's nice to see everybody here today. We are going to work on our 5th page of our bird journal. Yesterday we decided on what bird we wanted to build our bird house or bird feeder for. So today we're going to do a little bit of brainstorming. So title your page Brainstorm Day, and then we're going to come up with some supplies that we might have to work with and some ideas of what we might want it to look like. So to begin with, let's go ahead and make some lines that we can put our supplies on that we might have. Alright, now I'm going to go in search of them. Found a few things in my house, some things I've been collecting, recyclables that I thought I might be able to use for the project. Then I'm going to go ahead and set them aside and put them in a safe spot, use my larger box to put everything inside, and then I'm just going to write down the list of items that I found to work with. Doesn't mean I have to work with all these, but it's just some ideas of what I have so I know when I'm looking at what I want it to look like. To answer an important question. What do I want it to look like? So we're going to go and draw 4 spaces where we can draw a little bit of an idea of what it might look like when we're finished. This is just some ideas. So 4 ideas of what we want it to look like. I finished my 4 sketches, I'm going to decide which ones I don't want and which ones I do. These last 2 I took a moment to really think about because I looked at what I wanted it to look like and I checked does it match the supplies I have, and in the end I thought that the top left one would be the better choice, so that's what I went with. And that's it for today. Now you're ready for your build, so go ahead and take a picture of this page so we can all see what yours might look like.